when you think of watches from places, the first thing that would come to your mind is Swiss की watches, है ना? क्योंकि वो तो extremely popular है, मतलब बहुत popular है Swiss watches. But there is something known as Germany की watches, which are so spectacular, but they are not that popular. And today we'll be talking about this one watch brand based in Germany, Zeppelin, and its watch, the Los Angeles LZ126. There are so many interesting things about this watch. मतलब इस ब्रांड की हिस्ट्री, इस वॉच के पीछे का वो जो सिंबल है उसके पीछे क्या स्टोरी है, इस वॉच का पल्सोमीटर, बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग वॉच है। कोई ऐसी मतलब कोई नॉर्मल सी एनालॉग वॉच नहीं है ये, ओके। देयर इज सो मच अटैच्ड टू इट। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द ब्रांड इटसेल्फ, ओके। Zeppelin, दिस इज अ टाइम पीस विच सिग्निफाइज इनोवेशन। मतलब ये इनोवेशन ना, इसमें फूट फूट के निकल रहा है इससे इनोवेशन। दिस वॉच इटसेल्फ and the whole brand की history actually, it is inspired by this era जहाँ पे ये जो दिख रहा है ये method of transportation use होता था, okay? तो this is inspired by aircrafts of the 20th century, and if you're wondering why you don't see them around nowadays, they came to a tragic end. The story of Zeppelin aircraft begins in the late 19th century with Count Ferdinand von Zeppelin. Inspired by his observations of balloons during the American Civil War, Count Zeppelin dedicated himself to the development of rigid airships. What he was dedicating himself towards, uska first flight, it took off in 1900, which was the LZ-1. Now, if you remember, this is the LZ126. तो इसका नाम भी मतलब एक वो aircraft पे ही based है. The LZ-1 marked the dawn of a new era in aviation. These airships, with their rigid framework and innovative design, quickly became symbols of technological prowess and luxury. और जब मैं बोल रही हूँ ना luxury, मतलब luxury की height थी ये, ठीक है। इसके अंदर आपको लग रहा होगा कि current aircraft जो होते हैं, flights जो होती हैं, उसमें there are rows of seat, कुछ में मतलब कभी कभार bars होते हैं, as far as I've seen, and if you really get to like the business class and all, तो आपको कभी कभार वो rooms और वो सब भी मिलते हैं जो काफी बड़े नहीं होते। बट इस एयरक्राफ्ट में एक प्रॉपर रेस्टोरेंट था with tables and chairs. There were like several washrooms, like 5 to 6 washrooms, और इन पिक्चर्स से पता चल रहा होगा कि ये ऐसा लग रहा है कोई होटल रूम है। And this thing was flying in the sky. Unimaginable, honestly, that this would actually happen. How this worked was कि जो हाइड्रोजन की गैस थी ना, they used that to make it fly. Now, ऐसा गैस जो मतलब ऐसे लेविटेट करता है बलून या सबको, वो हीलियम भी होता है। बट एट दैट टाइम हीलियम वाज नॉट दैट रेडिली अवेलेबल, तो उन लोगों ने हाइड्रोजन यूज किया। देयर वाज वन थिंग अबाउट हाइड्रोजन, इट्स दैट इट्स एक्सट्रीमली फ्लेमेबल, ओके। बट for like quite a good amount of time, no tragedies occurred. It was just smooth sailing luxury. Tragically, the era of the great airships came to an end with the Hindenburg disaster. अब जो हाइड्रोजन का फ्लेमेबल का मैंने बोला था ना, it happened. Okay, the Hindenburg, it burst down in flames in 1937. And this catastrophic event marked the decline of rigid airships as a viable means of transportation. और now you must be thinking कि ये Hindenburg और Zeppelin का क्या relation है? It's basically कि Zeppelin जो ये shape है aircrafts का, उसको Zeppelin बोलते हैं, और Zeppelin का एक specific model था Hindenburg, which was a part of this disaster. So it's like Zeppelin के अंदर Hindenburg आता है as one of their models, you can say. तो ये जो Zeppelin वाला brand है, I couldn't find if this is the same brand that made those airships and now they're making watches. But as far as I know, there is this company Pointec who got inspired by the Zeppelin के aircrafts and now they're making these watches. Or in मतलब most of them are named like this only, LZ126, there's a LZ129, stuff like that. So based on airships. अब इसकी history तो you got how interesting it was. That's why there's this symbol at the back, that's a Zeppelin, and a Hindenburg, it looked like that, it was just a different model. And the ticket thing that you saw in the box was like an official ticket to a Zeppelin. That is insanely cool, man. I do not care if it's printed, but still. तो मतलब मेरे लिए तो ये अभी से cool हो गई थी, ठीक है, कि ये Zeppelin के साथ associated है. Other than that, this watch has a pulsometer, okay? तो ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब ये मीटर जैसा कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी बात है. बहुत सारी वॉचेस में होते हैं ऐसे टाइप ऑफ मीटर. आई थिंक टैकीमीटर इज वेरी पॉपुलर. आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ टैकीमीटर वॉचेस विच इज फॉर मेजरिंग स्पीड एंड ऑल. This is a pulsometer, but a pulsometer in a watch is relatively rare. As the name suggests, pulsometer से आप अपनी हार्ट बीट मेजर कर सकते हो, एंड हाँ, वो आप कोई भी वॉच के साथ कर सकते हो जिसमें स्टॉप वॉच है. But this meter makes it really easy for you to measure it. Pulsometer in an analog watch doesn't take away from the look of a watch. Like you can wear a smartwatch, but then it doesn't look like, you know, a classy watch. Sir John Floyer, an English physician, invented the first pulsometer in 1709. It's really that old. How this works is count 30 or 15 beats, it depends on the watch. इस watch का 30 beats है. Then the next step is to calculate the heart rate. So for this, the scale offers you the number of beats to make your calculation of the heart rate easier without measuring for the entire 1 minute. The scale is divided in 15 and 30 beat intervals to save time, and then it displays a range of human heart rate on the dial. तो इतना easy हो जाता है, पूरे 1 मिनट तक बैठ के गिनना नहीं पड़ता. This leather is fine calf skin, handcrafted. इसमें वाटर रेजिस्टेंस भी है 5 ATM का, तो दैट्स ग्रेट. ब्रांड की इतनी ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग हिस्ट्री, इस वॉच में पल्सोमीटर तो है ही, है ना, तो ये काफ़ी ऑलरेडी इंटरेस्टिंग वॉच हो गई है. बट जस्ट बिकॉज इट एक्सेल्स इन दोज एस्पेक्ट्स डजंट मीन दैट इट इज़ लैकिंग इन द लुक्स. दिखने से ही पता चल रहा है कि इसका वो जो रॉयल ब्लू का मेटालिक जो शाइन है ना, इतना पॉश और रॉयल फील देता है. प्लस द फॉन्ट इज जस्ट ब्यूटिफुल. यहाँ छोटे लेटर्स में इसका नाम भी लिखा है LZ126 लॉस एंजलिस, एंड इसके क्लास पे छोटा सा जी भी बना है विच आई थॉट वाज रियली कूल. प्लस इसका मतलब जो क्राउन्स है ना, दूसरी वॉचेस में थोड़ा छोटा होता है या वो होता है, इसमें ऐसे जो दिख रहा है प्रोमिनेंटली, एंड दैट डजंट लाइक यू नो लुक वियर्ड. It looks well, it goes with the whole theme of the watch. Plus this color combination of blue and the brown leather is really, you know, just perfect. Like इसके looks बिल्कुल भी lacking नहीं है इसके looks. ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी घड़ी दिखती है. This watch has the K1 mineral crystal glass. अब वो इतना special इसलिए है because it has a higher transparency than acrylic crystal, better shatter resistance than sapphire crystal, and higher scratch resistance than normal regular crystal. The numerals and the hands, they are glow in the dark, they are night glow. That is insanely cool. इस watch का movement Swiss quartz movement है, and specifically the Ronda 6203.B movement, and it says that कि Swiss movement की watches, they are made with a higher quality of materials for longer lasting wear. The back of this watch also has this QR code which gives you a lot more additional information about this specific watch. Usually German watches are very expensive, but this is not that much on the expensive side. It is a little bit more than normal budget watches, but that is because this does have improvements over budget watches. Like उन लोगों ने normal mineral glass की जगह K1 mineral glass use किया है. The movement, it is imported, they have just assembled it, but the leather, it is fine calf leather, handcrafted, and it is so much softer than any other leather. I mean, दिख ही रहा होगा, it has already molded into my dad की wrist का shape. Already you can see that, you know, this is genuine nice leather. Plus the attention to detail which is given to these watches, and also कि ये जो brand है ना, इसका जो unique selling point है वो यही है that these watches are based on aircraft. So there is a Hindenburg watch also. This is not that one. This is the LZ126. So this is why they are like one of the most affordable German watches. Granted, yes, they are not actual budget वाली watch, but you did see the improvements. There can be an argument कि मतलब इतने प्राइस में तो कोई ऑटोमेटिक वाली वॉच ही ले लो. Sometimes you can find a really good deal for this watch and get it in like 15 to 18, and that is a great deal for a German watch with this amount of history attached to it. And also it looks much more expensive than it actually is. वैसे तो मेरे पापा को पल्सोमीटर से कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, उनको बस ये था कि वो डेट और टाइम अच्छे से बता दे एक वॉच, ठीक है. एंड दिस वॉच इज़ वेरी गुड एट दैट. आई मीन यहाँ डेट क्लियरली दिखती है, ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कोई छोटे से कॉर्नर में छुपा दिया एक छोटा सा डायल, यू नो, क्लियरली इट इज़ विजिबल द डेट एंड सो इज़ द टाइम. ये स्पेसिफिक पल्सोमीटर वाला वेरिएंट जो है, इट इज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल इन ब्लैक एंड ग्रीन. I personally found blue the best, so I suggested that to my dad. So that was the Zeppelin Los Angeles LZ126. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more.